My name is Yasser. For a long time, my life felt busy, but not meaningful. Every day, I did many things. I used my phone for hours. I watched videos. I talked about random topics. At the end of the day, I felt tired, but I also felt something else. I felt empty, because even though I was busy, I was not moving forward. One day, my teacher asked a simple question: what is important in your life right now? The question looked easy, but I could not answer. I stayed silent. That moment made me think deeply. That evening, I sat alone in my room. I asked myself again, what really matters? After some time, I found my answers. My learning mattered, my growth mattered, my future mattered, but my daily actions did not match these priorities. The next day, I decided to change something. I did not try to change everything. I started small. I reduced unnecessary phone usage. I spent more time studying. I practiced English daily. At first, it felt difficult because my old habits were strong, but I stayed consistent. Slowly, my focus improved. I became more aware of my time. Before doing anything, I asked myself, is this important? If the answer was no, I avoided it. Days passed, weeks passed. I noticed something surprising. My life became simpler, less distraction, more clarity, more progress, because I focused on what truly mattered. Now, I understand something clearly. Being busy is not the same as being productive. If you focus on unimportant things, you lose valuable time. But if you focus on what matters, your life moves forward. Today, I still have distractions, but I choose carefully because my time is limited and my future depends on how I use it. Final thought. Focus on what truly matters. Let go of what distracts you. Your attention shapes your future. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep focusing on your goals. And always remember, what you focus on grows in your life.